halfway. Okay, so I just put the bread rolls in, potatoes au gratin, they're about half cooked. And the chicken has a problem. See, this is a wooden spoon, right? I was using it to like stir this kind of stuff. Watch what happens. It is so tender, I can legit cut the chicken with a wooden spoon. So then I just go behind with whatever juices are floating in here, which is, you know, juices from the chicken, and I did a little bit of chicken broth and stuff in here, and I am just dumping it over the chicken. It's basically almost done. That's for the bread. I'm just letting the oven melt the butter. No sense in wasting any more electrics today. Got a kitty on the floor. He just came out here. He's been on the bed since I got shots yesterday. Nobody's feeling any better. Everybody's kind of sick feeling. But I just want to drown the chicken. Drown it. I stirred everything else up, so everything else should be good and cooked. There are green beans and broccoli and cauliflower and carrots and black olives and apple in here. I forgot the onion. And we didn't get any potatoes. They forgot my potatoes. They forgot the cabbage. They didn't do the tomatoes. So like half of my Walmart order was missing. So I did what I could do with the best I had. So there's that. And now this is going to go back in the oven until everything else is done. The bread's going to be the last thing I pull because it's got 30 minutes to cook. So I'll probably bump the timer up on that another 10 minutes just to be safe. So yeah, everything's almost done. And it's 12 after 4.
We lose a cat?
There's been a few running around the house.
I just found one on the floor.
Well, go put it in the trash. I don't need any of that stuff over here by the food. Thank you very much. I got everything clean.
I was just wondering if we lost a cat somewhere.
We've lost a few over the years, but you know. You ready to eat?
Hell yeah.
Fucking hungry, man. I just stuck my finger in the cranberry sauce. There's a problem with the chimikin though. Yeah, come look. I'll show you.
Quit playing with my food. You're playing with my food. Stop it. It's not done. It's not done. Stop playing with the food.
So you're saying this isn't
Nope,
done?
not done.
Oh.
Nope.
So how much longer should I cook it for?
No, about 3 more hours at 450. With the lid off.
Oh God, it would be fucking.
It'd be jerky. Chicken jerky.
Come dish up your plate. Where the fuck you going?
You're in the way.
Get your ass in this kitchen and come serve your fucking self dinner. Jesus.
You gotta get the hell out the way and stop.